Hello there viewers all around the world. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's still your boy Shay Dairo. Today in this video guys, I want to show you how to make $100 on a daily basis. You can actually make more than this, or it may not be up to this, maybe $50, $100, $150, $200 and so on. And what are you going to do with these sites? I want to give you guys, wherever you are, wherever country you are watching this video from, you are only coming to this site as a virtual friend. You're coming here to become a virtual friend to some people in top tech countries. Rendering this service will actually help you to make this kind of money online. I know when you see the thumbnail, you are like, is it possible? Yes, it's possible, and it's very, very real. You understand? What you are coming here to do is offer this service and become a virtual friend to some people online. And by doing so, you will make a cool cash online. What are you going there to do as a friend? You know, there are some people, they are living with the problem of depression, no one to talk to. This kind of thing actually happens in most top tech countries. Some people are living in depression, different problems. Like some people are looking for people they can make a good friendship to, the kind of loyal friendship to online. You can actually come to some of this site. You can go there to play game with some friends online. Just look for people they can actually able to talk to, like to avoid loneliness. There are many people suffering from loneliness in outside countries. You'll be wondering, especially if you're from Africa country here, this thing we don't suffer from this in Africa countries, but you can actually do this thing to make money in the foreign countries online as a virtual friend to them, rendering this service to them. What are you going there to do? You are going there to communicate. Some people, they need someone they can actually express their feeling to, the kind of challenge they are facing in their life. They need someone that they can talk to, express themselves to, whereby you can actually advise them, be their friend, be a good listener to them. Some people are there just to play games, looking for someone they can play games. They don't want computer to, they don't want to be playing with computer. They want real human being they can interact with online to play game. Some people looking for someone they can actually talk to, things like that and so on. There are many things online, and there are some sites that whereby as a woman you can make a lot of money here. There's many people online. They don't look for someone they can actually chat with online. But don't let me limit you, either you're a man or woman, you can make money online doing this thing. Some people are looking for people that are very funny. You are very funny, you are funny to be with. You even know yourself that you have, anywhere you are, like people used to catch fun with you, staying around you. If you can do this service, this kind of connection can lead to another. You can make a lot of money from this. Let me just say it like that. You can make a lot of money from this. One thing will actually lead to another. Just like when you just like freelance service on FIVERR or things like that. If you do well with some clients, they can dash you money. That you do well with them, they like the kind of service you give them. They will even give you some tips, give you some money there. Now, without wasting much of our time, now I want to show you the site whereby you can go there, render your virtual service and make cool cash online. But before we go there, if you're very new to my YouTube channel here, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video, give me a like on this video, leave your comment on this video, share this video with your loved ones. So I have some sites here to show you guys. Number one of the sites, 7, there are 7 sites. The number one of it is chatrecruit.com. chatrecruit.com. So you can come to this site. Then let me tell you something very, very important. Because I have up to like 7 sites I want to give you here. Don't limit yourself to just one site. Say, oh, this is the only site. No, expand your tentacles so that you can get multiple streams of income from different places. If one site is somehow delaying in giving you buy your service or whatever, other sites might do. So make sure you sign up for some of these sites online. So the first one is chatrecruit.com. So you can read about it. Go on, study this very well. No experience needed. All you need is good internet connection and a love of chatting. So then one more thing I want to give you guys, you can click here to sign up, to register. And when you're trying to register, let me give you one tip. The picture you want to use for this, Yeah, profile picture. You know, it's all about virtual friendship. It's like virtual friend. You can't tell me that if someone, you see the picture says most. That's in the selling points of this is picture. Picture is one of the selling points for this, because before you even interact with anyone at all, you want to check the profile, look at that person, how it be. So the kind of appearance you are seeing, if this person is fun to be with, so you can check other people in this platform, the kind of profile picture they are using. So the kind of fun picture, you can look for a group picture of yours whereby it's very fun to be with. You can catch fun, you can fly, you can smile, you can do anything. You know, you have to be photogenic with this. If you are not photogenic, try to compose yourself or look for someone that can conduct you well on this. So when sign up, you can sign up for they have to earn money. Now, no, this second one, no joining fees. Register for free, and you can start making money the same day. I get it right. Earn on your own time, earn at home or on the go whenever suits you, and get a $10 bonus on your first payday. $10 bonus on your first payday. Over $30 million paid out to our chat hosts. So many people are here just to chat. That's what they want. But with this site, please, for our guests, our ladies, our women watching this video, I need to give you warning when you are trying to register with the site. Make sure you set your boundaries. Make sure you set your boundary. Don't let anybody use money to entice you to do what will affect you, if not now, in the future. Make sure you know what you are doing before you start this kind of service. Don't say because of money and you will do what you are not intended to do. Please be warned. Guide yourself. Many white people may want to lure you to do some kind of thing that you don't intend or you don't wish to do. Just because of money, they are ready to pay you that kind of money to do this, to do that. So please set your boundaries, all right? And maintain your privacy. Don't lose guard when you are coming here to do because of money. Don't lose guard. Only what you think you are confident to share out, share it. Don't say because of friendship online, it started saying all sorts of things that you are not supposed to. All right, so this is the first one. You can go online to check about this, then frequently asked questions. Go and read about the second one here in my list is rent a friend. rentafriend.com. And without wasting time, you can click here to start your free search now. So here now, click here to become a friend and get paid. All right, the third on my list here is rentalcyberfriend.com. rentalcyberfriend.com. Very good site. Very good site. I repeat again. All right, the third on my list here is friendpc. friendpc.com. friendpc.com. So go and read more about this. Sign up for this and start making your money as a virtual friend online. I have things to show you. I'm still going there. The 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll show you this one, rentalcyberfriends.com, and the fourth, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is friendpc.com. friendpc.com. The fifth one in my list is rentallocalfriend.com. rentallocalfriend.com. Why the sixth in my list is FIVERR.com. Many are used to FIVERR. I have something I want to show here. That's going to be the last of this video now. The seventh on my list is Upwork.com. So make sure you sign up for this site. You can check the description to this video. I will drop a link there that can make you to sign up for this site very fast. And to sign up for WeChat, for FIVERR, to sign up for FIVERR, if you're very new to this, don't know how to sign up for FIVERR, but I have a video on that, how to create a FIVERR account that cannot be disabled, banned, or restricted, that can last, and you can actually make money from this. So I have a video there. You can also check the description to this video to go and watch it. Now let me show you something about this topic, I'm giving you now that can actually help you to make money. Even on FIVERR, there are many services here. But if you watch some of my video where I show you the kind of service that can actually help you to make money on FIVERR, here, this one, let me show you something. I'll click here and search for virtual friend. I want to show you potential in making money with this service now. You can see now virtual friends. So let me search for this virtual friends. You will see that the competition is very, very low with this now. Very, very, very low. Great. Now look at this virtual friends. You can imagine we have 13 services available online. It's not competitive. 13 services available online. So this kind of thing you can actually do. The competition is not much at all. It's not much at all. So you can also render this service online on FIVERR and make money from it. So I've given you 7 sites you can actually go to render your service as a virtual friend online and making money from this online. You can go to Upwork also, search for this, sign up for Upwork and make money from this. If you find value in this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like on this video. Leave your comments, share this video. Then I'm inviting you to join us on Telegram channel. Through description to this video, I will drop it there. Go there and check it. And sign up. Go there now and join us so that you'll be notified every time I make a video on this. Then I have a discussion forum there also, the group in the Telegram group, where you can also have access to join us. I love you guys. Bye for now.